Hi there everyone, welcome back to Chill and Trade TV. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. And if you're back here again, welcome back. So this past week was NFP on Friday. I hope you guys had a profitable trading NFP. Those of you who trade NFP, I hope it was profitable. And our previous analysis on the previous videos, I hope you guys have checked those setups and you took those entries because they were nice entries. So yeah, in this week's video, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be looking at Euro NZD, just doing a top-down analysis on this pair because I was going through a couple of pairs and I saw it and thought this would be a nice one to share with you guys. So if you are also trading Euro NZD, you can just leave a comment down below and have a look at how I analyze it. And if you guys want a trusted broker, click on the link in the description down below. So let's get into the video, ladies and gentlemen. So as we can see, Euro USD is making higher highs and higher lows. It's making higher highs, higher highs, and higher lows. Just wanna start from here because I see there's a pattern playing out. Higher lows. So if you know what higher highs and higher lows are, you'd know that this is an uptrend, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, this is an uptrend. So I'm just gonna go in detail of how I go about analyzing the markets every time I open a pair. This is exactly what I do, ladies and gentlemen. So I just want to share that with you so that you can also learn, hey? And if you're trying to learn how to trade forex, you could actually learn from what I do here. You could actually learn from what I do here instead of going to pay for a course which is expensive, or if you don't have the money to. I mean, I don't mind sharing, ladies and gentlemen. At the end of the day, the markets are the markets, and there's no, what can I say? There's no shame in helping anyone for free, I guess. Well, yeah. Let's get back to to what we're doing before we get a bit more distracted. Okay, so like I said, higher highs and higher lows. It's an uptrend. So let me just identify the structure we have. I'm gonna start this pattern from here before even zooming out or zooming in rather. Let me higher highs, higher lows. Okay, and as you can see, this is a pattern reversal pattern. So let me get rid of these uh drawings so that we get a nice clear chart, ladies and gentlemen. Nice clear chart. Let me start from this arrow. Let me start. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I think my okay just froze there a bit. Sorry about the listening. Remember higher lows. The reason we said that as well. Let me just zoom out. Now price is going to the upside. The reason why it is going to the upside as well, we have confirmation of this pattern. Just an extra, you know, confirmation or confluence rather. We have this head and shoulder here. So those of you know what a head and shoulder is, or if you don't know, a head and shoulder is a reversal pattern. So as you can see here, it is playing out, and now price is going to the upside, and we have a pattern here. So let's just, oh, what's going on? I think I'm zooming a little bit too much. Okay, okay. Let's focus back on what is currently here. So as you can see, this is a uptrend but a reversal pattern. This structure is a reversal pattern. Let me just identify this low here. From this low, price gave us the strong push, this strong daily push to the upside. And the reason why I want to start here is because there is a pattern here. We have a pattern within a pattern. So let me go down to the H4 time frame and focus on there, what is going on there. Let me just zoom. See, ladies and gentlemen, I look at the bigger picture and then I zoom in to look at the smaller picture because we capitalize on the lower time frames. Well, that's how I trade, ladies and gentlemen. I usually get my trades on the 1 hour time frame. So now that we have this push up, and I did say that we have a structure playing out here. So let me just identify. This is one of my continuation patterns I trade. So what a, yo, let me just do this. Let me just identify that. So now as you can see, we have a push up here. So what is happening right here? What is going on here? What is going on here? This is now the focus. This is now the focus. So let me zoom out. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame now. Remember, our focus is just right there, ladies and gentlemen. That is our focus right now. Just go to the 1 hour time frame. Alright, alright, this is nice and perfect. Nice and perfect. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. And if you want a trusted, recommended broker, click in the link on the description down below. Click on the link, rather, on the link in the description down below. Okay. So this seems to be a corrective price action here. So what we are looking for is price might go down, do this, and then go up. So what's gonna make us decide to enter when it goes up? So price might give us something like this. Mm, let me get this there. Price might give us something like this. And at the breakout, ladies and gentlemen, and if you pay attention and look at the previous analysis videos I did, these patterns which I like drawing, they play out, and you know what happens when they play out. The market continues in the direction of the trend. That's why they are called continuation patterns. See why I like trading patterns, ladies and gentlemen. They are simple and clear and tell you what's gonna happen next. So let me go back to the daily time frame, because we are basically done analyzing the market. That's why how I go about analyzing the market. Simple. So my target now, my first target would be this high. This plays out, my first target will be this high. Then my second target, let me go to the H4 time frame so that you see everything as a whole. You see everything as a whole. My second target is right there at the highs. And then from there, ladies and gentlemen, so now I just want to share a bit of longer term analysis. This is the longer term, long term. When price gets there, ladies and gentlemen, there's a possibility I will look for sells, provided that price does not invalidate this reversal pattern, this reversal outer pattern. See, when price gets to this high, né, we have first touch, second touch, and we'll have that third touch. Remember at the start, I did say that this is a reversal pattern. Reversal patterns tell you that the market is about to reverse direction. So when price gets to that high, I will look for sells. These sells all the way to this low, because this is how this pattern behaves and plays out, provided that it does not invalidate this outer pattern, ladies and gentlemen. So to go on, additionally, on analysis, I know I'm this might be a bit too much, but just focus on those current moves or setups I showed you. This is now for more those advanced traders, because I wanna I what I did is analyzing this pair. I just showed you I that you can capitalize from the most simple setups, and it was basically for beginners, intermediate traders, and now I just wanna tackle the more advanced traders. We can go to the 1 week time frame just to make everything go together, just to put everything together, ladies and gentlemen. And I hope that you are not confused, because you can still watch this video over and over again. You can still watch this video over and over again. Don't worry. So what I wanna do now, for those of you who are more advanced, we can just take a look at this entire. Let me go to the 1 month run and see. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I know this might be a bit too deep, but for those who are advanced would know what I'm talking about. And those of you who are just starting out, just focus on the first analysis. But do watch this video until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. We have these lows, those highs and lows. And you know this pattern. You know this pattern. So with this pattern, ladies and gentlemen, the overall direction is to the upside. This is the long term direction is to the upside, Because now I just want to cater for those long-term traders who trade mostly on the daily or weekly time frames, monthly time frames, those kind of traders. This is going all the way to the upside because price bounced from this low, from this low, and this is actually this entire move right here is a continuation to the upside for this move right there. So let me zoom in and go to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. Let me get rid of a couple of objects here so that now we can have a nice clean chart. Now I want to get rid of the head and shoulder. Okay, let me also get rid of the arrows. Leave those line arrows. Get rid of this. Let me get rid of the head and shoulders because it seems like it's in the way a bit. I hope you guys are catching on and it's not too much. It's not too much. And it's not too much. But over the course of the week or the year, I'll still be doing updates on this pair, ladies and gentlemen. For those of you who still want to see how far or how the market has been playing out so far, I'll do that. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. So yes, like I said, from this low, price has been giving us a continuation, and I did show you guys that the overall move is to the upside, and this is what we have. Let me have it drawn on those highs and this low. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the the inner pattern that I identified on the H4 H1 time frame is the same pattern. So these patterns play out on regardless of the time frame, whether it's 1 hour, daily, you know, they play out on every time frame. So the overall move, as I mentioned, ladies and gentlemen, when everything plays out, it's not like it's gonna play out like immediately or in the next coming few weeks or next coming few months. This is like I would say long-term analysis. It could even play out next year this time, in fact, rather than earlier. So yeah, but for now, ladies and gentlemen, just focus from the daily analysis until the H1 analysis, until the H1 analysis, and you will be sorted, because that's how we go about tackling the markets, one trade at a time, one trade at a time, one trade at a time. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me. I hope this video is not too long. I didn't intend on it to be this long, but I just felt like I should just share with you guys more than usual. And let's get this video to 10 likes, ladies and gentlemen. 10 likes, 10 or 50 likes rather, 10 or 50 likes. Tell me how you guys find my analysis. Is it the same as yours, or remember, and I always say this, we might have different analysis or approach towards the market, but as long as the direction is the same, because we just want to profit from the market. So yeah, that's it from me. That's it from Chill and Trade TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. And for a recommended trusted broker, click on the link in the description down below. Have yourself a profitable trading week next week. This is Chill and Trade TV. Peace.